Hey grillers, Nathan here from Canadian Barbecue Boys, coming to you to bring you a video on how to replace your Flavourizer bars. The Flavourizer bars are located right beneath the grates, and what they do is any food or grease droppings that drop down, it's going to protect the burners from getting all clogged up with wet grease. So what we'll do is we'll take out our grates, and located right beneath the grates are your Flavourizer bars. So they're very easy to stack. Some of them will look like this. Some of them will be just regular little triangles that cover the burners only. Very easy to remove, very easy to replace. You take these, you can throw them out, get your new ones, and just lay them down. What's great about these kinds of Flavourizer bars is that they'll get very hot and they'll help distribute the heat a little bit more evenly. Whereas the Weber ones, for example, are kind of just shields for the burners. These ones will get nice and hot and evenly distribute the heat onto the grill. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy grilling.